Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to read an Excel file on Anaconda. So here first we will install the required libraries and packages. So I'll be using pip space install. Pip is a package manager to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. So I'll install the pandas library as well as the openpy.excel to work with Excel. Okay. This command will install both of them. Click run. We have installed it. Now let us write the code. So first I'll write import pandas as PD. Okay, this is the library we installed and PD is an alias, that's why we have used AS. So we now need to use PD directly instead of the complete word pandas. I'll press enter and now I'll use a data frame to read. df is equal to pd.read_excel to read the Excel file. Here df is a data frame in pandas. Now what is a data frame? A data frame is a two-dimensional tabular data structure. It is a core data structure in the pandas library for data manipulation. So here we need to add the path of our Excel file. Our file is on the desktop, minimize. Here it is and here is our Excel file. So I just need to mention the name. So mention amit.xlsx. That's it. Now press enter and we will print the Excel data. So the head method returns the top n rows. So if you're not mentioning any parameter, that means it will return the top 5 rows. If you'll mention, let's say 10, it will return the top 10 rows. I'll keep it empty. So what is this Excel file? I'll open it. Here it is. So it will return the top 5 rows. That means still Rahul. Okay. I'll minimize. Let's run it. Okay. It should be print obviously. I'll run it again and we are displaying the top 5 rows. Okay. So this was our Excel and it will display till Rahul. And here it is visible. So in this way we can easily upload and read an Excel file. For simplicity, what you can do, you can add a folder here and paste your Excel as well as keep your notebook in the same folder. You can rename it read_excel rename. So in this way guys, we can easily upload and read Excel on Jupyter Notebook in Anaconda. Guys, we have added a free Jupyter Notebook tutorial in the video description. So from here you can continue with that and learn about Jupyter Notebook, how to run programs, how to create cells and text and what are those. With that we have also added a free Python tutorial. Thank you for watching the video.